Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to start with quick review of ophthalmology or one-liner questions. So let's get started. First one, strongest attachment of vitreous is base. Junction between retina and cornea is called ora serrata. Levator of upper eyelid are levator palpebrae superior, molars and frontalis. Muscle to close the eyelid is orbicularis. Ciliary muscles constrict lens. Keratometry is a measurement of curvature of cornea. Pachymetry is to measure thickness of the cornea. Refractometer is to measure refractive index of lens. Refractive error associated with divergent squint is called myopia. Cotton wool spots are seen in T2, DM, HTN. It means MRI in T2 strain, diabetic mellitus case and hypertension. Most common orbital tumor in children is rhabdomyosarcoma. Most common brain tumor in children, glioma. Most common cancer in children is leukemia, ALL, acute lymphoid leukemia. Most common distant metastasis seen in retinoblastoma is bone. In right homonomous hemiplegia, the most common site of lesion would be left optic tract. Patient has difficult on walking downstairs, probably muscle paralyzed superior orbicularis. Hypopyon is due to fungal infection. Numeral keratitis is most commonly caused due to herpes zoster virus. Voices ring are seen in trauma. Most potent antibiotic or trachoma treatment is azithromycin. Entropion is due to trachoma, congenital scarring, egging and spasm. Topical steroid causes glaucoma. Steroids are contraindicated in herpetic corneal ulcer, chronic simple glaucoma. Patient with acute glaucoma, the prophylactic treatment for other eye is peripheral iridectomy. Subacute uveitis with glaucoma, which drug should be given? Not given pilocarpine. In a patient predisposed to glaucoma, drug contraindicated is atropine. Colored halos are seen in accommodation, narrow angle glaucoma and phacogenic glaucomas, and not seen in steroid-induced glaucoma. Large hemangiopia of lid and cheek with glaucoma is seen in Sturge-Weber syndrome. Treatment for malignant glaucoma, topical atropine and vitreous aspiration. Earliest changes in glaucoma, hazy cornea. Neovascular glaucoma is seen in CRBO. Diabetes in vein occlusion. Colored halos are found in acute angular glaucoma, cataract and uveitis. Secondary glaucoma is seen in investigation of the laser implantation and endemic dropsy, and again is present in chronic vein occlusion. Medical treatment of glaucoma is with pilocarpine. Treatment for malignant glaucoma is vitreous aspiration. Treatment of subacute glaucoma is peripheral iridectomy. Pain in absolute glaucoma is best revealed by retrovalvular injection of alcohol. Secondary glaucoma follow corneal perforation is due to anterior synechium formation. In acute congestive glaucoma, best prophylaxis for the other eye is laser iridectomy. Fincham's test is used to differentiate acute congestive glaucoma or cataract. 100-day glaucoma is seen in central vein occlusion. Complication of operation of malignant glaucoma, retinal detachment. Treatment of choice in angle glaucoma is pilocarpine. Drugs of choice in chronic simple glaucoma in a young myopic is timolol. Most common complication of iridocyclitis, secondary glaucoma. Treatment of choice for the other eye is open angle glaucoma, laser trabecoplasty. Treatment of choice for other eye in angle closer glaucoma, laser iridotomy. Pupil are mild dilated and fixed in acute congestive glaucoma. Commonest complication of topical corticosteroid is glaucoma. Shape of pupil is glaucoma is vertically oval. Excimer laser is used in glaucoma and correctly refractive error. Drugs of choice in angle glaucoma is pilocarpine. Treatment of choice for congenital glaucoma with corneal ulcer is trabeculotomy. Patient with acute bronchial asthma, after treatment of glaucoma, drug may be timolol. In hypertension, patient with glaucoma which is not used beta blocker. Pain while sitting in cinema in eye is seen in acute angle closer glaucoma. Acute painful eye Red eye is seen in glaucoma, uveitis, hepatitis keratitis, and not in conjunctivitis. Argon laser trabeculoplasty is used to primary open glaucoma. Heff's sclera is seen in infantile glaucoma. Most important complication of anterior chamber lens is glaucoma. Next one, drugs of choice as topical beta blocker is open angle glaucoma. Congenital glaucoma is presented photophobia. 6-month-old with large cornea photophobia. Diagnosis is congenital glaucoma. Ocular emergencies seen in arterial occlusion, angle-closure glaucoma, and retinal detachment. Normal intraocular tension is 15 to 22 mmHg. Eye in the newborn is hypermetrotropic. Tears are produced in newborn after 3 weeks. Sclerosis of bony orbit is seen in meningioma. Chorioretinitis is caused by congenital toxoplasmosis. Next one, ideal site for intraocular lens implantation in the lens capsule. Lens capsule is thinnest at posterior side. Unilateral aphakia can be corrected by spectacles, contact lenses, and intraocular implant. Candle wax spot in the retina is seen in sarcoidosis. Sudden visual loss is due to central retinal vein and artery occlusion, papillitis. Harvard pits is seen in trachoma. Chalcosis react due to copper of foreign body in the cornea. Spectacles are prescribed to patients with aphakia after 6 weeks. Hypopyon is seen in pneumococcal infection, fungal and gonococcal. What is tylosis? Hypertrophy and dropping of the eye is called tylosis. Ophthalmos is most common in boys than girls. Bilateral eye involvement, autosomal recessive, or treatment is trabeculectomy. Lens derive its nutrition from the aqueous. Dendritic ulcer is due to herpes simplex. Horner Trentus spots are seen in vernal conjunctivitis. Satellite nodule in the cornea are caused by fungus. Supratemporal lentinal subluxation is seen in Marfan's. Toxic amyloipia is produced by ethambutol. Optic foramen is located between laser wings and body. Sphenoid. Ophthalmic nodusa is seen in caterpillar hair in the eye. Mydriatic used in 6-year-old child with squint atrophy. Cornea reflex is loss in disease of optic nerve. Trachoma can cause trichiasis and tropian blindness. Rot spot in the fundus are seen in the bacterial endocarditis. Commonest causative organism of corneal ulcer is Staphylococci. Presence of Kayser-Fisher rings in pathognomonic of the Wilson disease. Kayser-Fisher rings has copper deposit. Cylindrical lens are used in astigmatism. Arcus senile is composed of lipid deposit. Astigmatism is considered to be an spherical aberration. Retinal detachment is seen in diabetic mellitus, high myopic patient, and malignant melanoma. Earliest changes noticed in hypertensive retinopathy is at arteriolar spasm. Salmon patch of cornea is seen in intestinal keratitis. Image is in indirect ophthalmoscope is inverted real magnified. Eye pads are contraindicated in purulent conjunctivitis. And nucleation is not indicated in panophthalmitis. Next one. And nucleation is not indicated in panophthalmitis. Amaurotic cat's eye reflex is seen in retinoblastoma. Commonest intraocular tumor in children is retinoblastoma. Bitot spot are seen in vitamin A deficiency. Length of the intraorbital optic nerve is 25 mm. Bitemporal heminopia indicate the lesion is at optic chiasm. Corneal ulceration is caused by injury to the fifth cranial nerve. Anterior uveitis is seen in rheumatoid arthritis, HLA-V27, ankle spondylosis, and juvenile rheumatoid arthritis. Acute hemorrhage conjunctivitis is seen with pneumococcus. Voices ring is seen in anterior capsule. In Weber syndrome, there is third nerve palsy. Corneal nerve are visible in leprosy and keratoconus. Corneal receive its nutrition from corneal vessels, atmosphere, aqueous humor. Astigmatism is corrected by cylindrical lenses. Lacrimal duct open at inferior meatus. Commonest cause of vitreous hemorrhage is trauma. Size of eyeball in myopia bigger. Intraocular pressure increased with succinylcholine. Feature of diabetic retinopathy, hard exudat. Earliest changes in diabetic retinopathy is microaneurysm. Commonest fungal lesion of eyelid is candida. Retinoblastoma, autosomal dominant. Treatment is enucleation and radiotherapy. Disease affect eye is juvenile rheumatoid arthritis, Wilson disease, Sjögren's syndrome, leprosy. Presbyopia is loss of elasticity of lens capsule, weakness of ciliary muscles, weakness of suspensory ligament is mostly present is those are age more than 40 years. Elevation of disc margins seen in papilledema, uncrossed diplopia is seen in astropia, retinitis pigmentosa, night blindness, constriction of visual field. Timolol cause bradycardia, cause asthma. Bitemporal heminopia can be due to meningioma of sella diaphragmatica. Vitreous opacities may be due to post-uveitis, hyaloid asteroids, high myopia. Pseudomembranous conjunctivitis is caused by Staphylococcus and Streptococcus. Drug causing bull's eye macula is chloroquine, and primary deviation less than secondary deviation seen in the paralytic squint. Next one, painless sudden visual loss is seen in retrobulbar nephritis and retinal detachment and chronic retinal arterial occlusion. Next one, keratoconus is best treated with contact lens. Contact lens is best used in high myopia. Feature of tobacco amblyopia is bilateral involvement, norma fundus, ganglion cells degeneration. Field defect in tobacco amblyopia is central cecal. Centrocecal scotoma is seen in papillitis. Iris bombay occurs in Singh's synechia. Sympathetic ophthalmica is due to injury of iris and ciliary body. Examination of vitreous is best done by slit lamp and with contact lens. Thickness of cornea is measured by pachymeter. Keratometry is used for measurement of curvature of cornea. And investigation of the laser is contraindicated in young diabetes, one-eyed over corneal dystrophy. Treatment of concomitant squint is surgery, exercise and spectacles. Most common tumor of lacrimal gland is benign mixed tumor. Cornea attain the size of adult cornea by which year? 1 year. Retinal artery angiogram, the dye injected through T is called peripheral vein. In peripheral vein. Blue sclerella is seen in osteogenesis imperfecta. Rubenosis iritis is most commonly seen in diabetic mellitus. Ropey discharge from eye is seen in spring cataract. Metabolically active layer of cornea is endothelium. Intestinal keratitis is seen in TB, leprosy and syphilis. Organism penetrate normal cornea is gonococcus. Ring scotoma is seen in retinitis pigmentosa. Rider cataract is seen in jonular cataract. Early features of diabetic retinopathy is microaneurysm. Retinal detachment is preceded by floats and flash, high myopia and trauma. Lens developed from ectoderm. Anisometropia, refractive error. Visual field is maximum in papillitis. Latest technique in cataract surgery is using laser. Distance used in direct distance ophthalmoscope is 25 cm. Aqueous flare is best demonstrated by narrow beam of slit beam. Treatment of 4 uveitis and intraocular tension is atropine. Commonest type of congenital cataract is jonular cataract. Earliest symptom of sympathetic ophthalmitis photophobia. Depth of anterior chamber of eye 2 to 3 m. Angiography is investigation of choice in central serous retinopathy. Radial keratotomy is indicated in myopia. Yoke muscle for right superior rectus, left inferior oblique. Earliest symptom in corneal ulcer is pain. Vortex vein drain to uveal tract. Type of lid carcinoma is vessel cell carcinoma. Constantly changing refractive error is seen in diabetic cataract. Ptosis with lid lag is seen in myogenic ptosis. Drugs of choice for acute iridocyclitis is atropine. Shortest acting mydriatic is tropicamide. Accommodative squint is corrected by spectacles, contact lens and ocular exercise. Periphery of retina is best visualized with indirect ophthalmoscope. Jonular cataract associated IUGR, rickets and dental abnormalities. Pseudoconvergent squint is seen with broad epicanthus. Action of right superior oblique muscles is dextrodepression and dacryocystorenopathy stomy. Drain is into middle meatus. Pilocarpine is not used in young adult as it causes cystic blebs of iris. Enlargement of blind spots is indicated of papilledema. Earliest affected in papilledema is color senses. Most severe papilledema is caused by posterior cranial fossa tumor, papilledema, hyperemia of optic disc, enlargement of blind spot, and pupillary reflex normal. Angry sun appearance in fundoscopy is a feature of papilledema. D-shaped pupil is seen in iridodialysis. Sudden increase in blood sugar in diabetic cause myopia. Albinism, nystagmus, photophobia, refractive error. Visible retinal artery pulsation seen in raised IOT. Painful eye movement is a feature of the palatis. Which part of orbicularis oculi is known as Horner muscles? Is Muller muscles. Fascicular ulcer is present in Moran's ulcer. Resuscitation time for human retina following ischemia is 1 to 2 hours. Saccadic eye movement may be vertical, torsional, may be occur during sleep. Campimetry is used to measure field charting. Esophoria is common in hypermetropia. Lens has respiratory quotient of 1. Physiological tone of ciliary muscles is about 1 diopter. Normal pH of tear is 7.5. Burrow operation is done for epibular dermoid. Sealing surgery should be avoided in a case of ptosis with poor Wells phenomena. Wheeler's operation is done for entropion. Commonest indication of intraocular implant is unilateral cataract. YAG laser is used in the treatment of after cataract. Most common ocular complication in renal transplant is cataract. Cataract is newborn in zonular. Diabetic cataract is due to accumulation of sorbitol. Steroid cataract is posterior subcapsular. Cataract caused by intake of steroid, posterior subscapular. Polychromatic luster is seen in posterior subscapular cataract. Treatment for congenital cataract is needling and aspiration. After cataract is treated by Nd:YAG laser. Second sight phenomena is seen in nuclear cataract. Recovery in cataract surgery is fastest with phacoemulsification. Commonest cause of cataract age-related. Pediatric cataract is treated by dissection. Polychromatic luster is seen in complicated cataract. Most important factor in the prevention of endophthalmitis in cataract surgery is pre-operation with povidone iodine. Development cataract is seen in rubella, galactosemia, Mongolian iridosy, cretinism. Snow-fake cataract is seen in diabetes, parenteral steroid cause cataract. Rosette cataract is seen due to trauma. Sunflower cataract is seen in chalcosis. Follicles are not seen in spring cataract. Vision is diminished in daylight. Which type of cataract? Central. Cobblestone appearance of conjunctiva is seen with spring cataract. Cataract is seen with galactosemia, congenital rubella and toxoplasmosis. Intense itching is a feature of spring cataract. Zonular cataract, bilateral, stationary, autosomal dominant, hypocalcemia. Commonest type of cataract in children is lamellar cataract. Commonest type of cataract in adult is cortical cataract. True diabetic cataract are snowflake cataract. Next one, cataract is associated with myotonic dystrophy. Cataract is found in hypoparathyroidism, IDDM, myotonic dystrophy. Most common cause of blindness in India is cataract. Oil drop cataract is seen in galactosemia. Blaskowitz operation is done for ptosis. Type of laser used for capsulotomies, YAG. YAG laser wave is colorless. Sago grain follicles are characteristic feature of trachoma. Anolomoscope is used to detect color blindness. Short posterior ciliary artery number in 20. Average volume of the orbit is 30 cc. Most serious danger to the vision is fracture through the optic foramen. Orange skin cornea result due to mustard gas. Refractive index of cornea is about 1.37. In uremic amaurosis, the pupils are dilated but react to light. Blind spot of Morot is optic disc. Landolt-Brocken ring test is used to recording visual acuity. Berlin edema result due to trauma to eye. Lens dislocation occur in Marfan syndrome. Homocystinuria trauma. Adenovirus causes diarrhea, parotid enlargement, and keratoconjunctivitis. Maximum refractive power is to the anterior surface of the cornea. Snell's chart is used to test vision. Color vision is by cone. Night blindness is due to vitamin A deficiency, retinitis, and pigmentosa, high myopia. EDTA is used to treatment of band-shaped keratopathy. Most common adverse effect on eye due to OCP uses optic neuritis. Next one, vitreous hemorrhage in young adult indicate Ehlers disease. Laser therapy for retinal disease. Laser affect with layer of the retina pigment layer. Maximum refractive index is for anterior surface of cornea. Distant direct ophthalmoscopy is done at 25 cm. Treatment of choice in amblyopsis is conventional occlusion. Photoophthalmia is due to UV rays. All visual reflexes are developed by 1 year. Dropping of upper eyelid is called ptosis. Painful movement of eye is a feature of retinobulbar neuritis. Bosicus ring is seen in lens conclusion. Treatment of choice in aphakia is IOL insertion. Most important cause of moderate visual loss in diabetic is maculopathy. Treatment for photoophthalmia is patching and reassurance. Drugs of choice in CMV retinitis in AIDS patient is again cyclovir. Scintillating scotoma is seen in migraine. Panuveitis involve iris, ciliary body, choroid. Optic atrophy is caused by methyl alcohol. For transplantation, cornea is preserved modified MK medium. Incidence of retained intraocular foreign body mass with injury due to chisels and hammer. Vitreous hemorrhage is seen in SHT, T2DM, Ehlers disease, trauma. Implantation of IOL is contraindicated in corneal dystrophy. Most common retinal changes in AIDS, cotton wool spot. Common most type of color blindness is due to notops. Retinoscopy is used to visualize whole of detecting error of refraction. Rays of light from distant object are focused in front of retina is myopia. Photoophthalmia is caused by ultraviolet rays. Photopsia occur in choroiditis. Effective treatment in trachoma is sulfidamide. Organ laser is used in retinal detachment, retinal vein occlusion, Ehlers disease. Photoretinitis is due to infrared rays. Next one, magnification of direct ophthalmoscope is 15. Thank you.